Hello guys, welcome to yet another video. In this video I'll be telling you how you can add Google Analytics to your Shopify store. So let's quickly move on to the video. So this is our test Google Analytics account. We have made this account in the previous some videos. You can watch it. We have made a new account. This is our test account. As you can see here, we will set up our the data stream for Shopify store. So we'll quickly move on to the data stream. And as you can see, it is asking that where we have to set up our Google Analytics code. So we can choose a platform. We can add on iOS apps, we can add on Android apps, and we can also add on web. For this video I will choose web, and here we have to enter our Shopify domain name, and here will be our site name. So we'll quickly move on to our site and we'll copy the name. We'll move on to create stream. So as you can see, we have created our stream. We will just go under that tag instructions, and we will hit the global site tag, and we will copy this code, and we'll move on to our store, and we'll create a backup for a store. That way we are safe on the both side. If by chance our store crashes, by adding this code we have a backup. So we will duplicate this one, and as you can see, this is our copy of theme. Now we have created the copy of our theme. Now we will go to store, and we will edit codes, and just go to theme.liquid, and we will place this code under the header, and we will save it. Now we'll give some data to Google Analytics. We'll go back and head over to our site. So now we'll head over to home. We'll simply click here, and as you can see here, data is showing for the user. I just want to ask you guys, please, if you like the video, if you like the content I dropped here, please be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any comments, questions regarding this topic or anything else, just comment them in the comment section down below. I will make sure to answer each and every one of your questions in the comment section. So that's it for this video, and peace out.